This is the last time that I will say these words. I remember the first time, the first of many lives. Sweep it into the corner, or hide it under the bed. Say these things, they go away, but they never do. Something I wasn't sure of, but I was in the middle of. Something I forget now, but I've seen too little of. The last time you follow me for anything you like, you want last line. You follow me for anything you like, and yes, make everything right. You follow me for anything you like, and I know I don't mind. But this is the last time that I will show my face. One last tender lie, and then I'm out of this place. I tread it into the carpet, I hide it under the stairs. You say that some things never die. Well, I tried and I tried. Something I wasn't sure of, was in the middle of. Something I forget now, but I've seen too little of. The last time you follow me for anything you like, you want last line. You follow me for anything you like, and yes, make everything right. You follow me for anything you like, and I know I don't mind. The last time you follow me for anything you like, you want last line. You follow me for anything you like, and yes, make everything right. You follow me for anything you like, and I know I don't mind.
Sometimes when she looks up, it seems as if she's by herself. Never whispers in my ear, I tried in vain to reach her word. There are many silent words, raising heads, but I still sound. And there are many weeping eyes, hand in hand, while the wind still pounds. Our cycle never ends, the curtain falls, burying my tears. Oh, the carpet cold seemed to be quiet.